So, sabi pa niya, baka takot daw ako. Hindi naman ako takot. At saka, alam niyo, kahit gustuhin ko mang umalis, alam niyo. Good morning, guys! Good morning! I really thought, guys, this morning it was really high snow already, but look at it. It's not even enough. I mean, it is snowing, but it's not really, like, heavy snow. Look, you bring snow in here, Rox. You did bring snow here. You bring snow here. Anyway, good morning. Akala ko talaga mag-i-snow siya ng sobrang dami na sobrang, tuhod na siya. Pero, hindi nangyari. Maliligo ako later. I have to do sit-ups because yesterday when Tommy was here, I don't do sit-ups, I don't do exercise because he's here. It's not a good reason. He's here. Mama bag ni Mama Dana, bag. Somebody's watching. Oh, where are you going? Back up. Go back up. No, look. Good girl. Good girl, Rox. That's a good girl. Grabe na yung isna, guys. Ay, naka. Lumalakas, gumagrabe. Lumiliit, gumagrabe. You're such a cute little man. You are my cute little bugti. I love my bugti. Bugti ni Mama. Yes, I do love my bugti. Roxy's Rider. Nakatapos na ako ng dalawang video. Uploaded na yung isa. Ang isa, i-finalize ko na lang siya. So, yun. And, ano bang kakainin ko dito? Oh, mayroong chicken. The chicken is good chicken, guys. The best. Hi, guys. Naglalaro ako, guys. Oh. At saka yung snow. Grabe na yung snow, guys. Grabe. Ang ganda na talaga. Laro muna ako. May mga kalaro ako. Namatay na ako, guys. Pero yung mga kasama ko, andun pa. Buhay pa sila. I went outside to play with Roxy and Misty. And yung hangin, guys, grabe. As in, look. I don't know, guys, if you can see. Yeah, I vlog outside. I film outside when I was playing with Roxy. Probably seen that. But tingnan nyo naman, guys. Pinala ko dito. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya karami yung snow. Basa yan sila, guys. Basa. Si Misty, basang-basa. Pero pinahiran ko naman sila. So, what we're gonna do is just wrap this. So, okay. Kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung inano ko sa pork ko, is, ang ginagamit ko is, ground pork, of course. Onion. I don't put water cheese not this time because, no, I forgot. Onion lang siya at saka carrots. And then I put onion and garlic powder. And then soy. And then, ground pepper. At saka yun, wala ng salt. Kasi yung niya, yung soy kasi, di ba, malasa na siya. Maliit lang ang inano natin. Kasi lang kasi ito siya para mga pang one bite ba? Or finally, tapos na ako, guys. And, ginoo ko. Itong wind ba, grabe, ang lakas ng hangin, guys. Ay, ang hangin, guys. Sobrang lakas, guys. Grabe, guys. At saka, itong inano ko pala, guys, nirarap ko. Ilagay ko rin siya sa freezer para, hindi siya madadaot. Hi, guys. Finally, guys, I'm done with, hindi pa ako tapos nagluluto, actually. Kakaloto ko lang sa lauoy ko. Ano yan? Ginger at saka lemongrass. Yun, ang daming okra, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang daming okra, guys. Yun, talong at okra itong andito. Yun. So, yun siya. Itong si kalamunggay. Yun lang. And then, I'm going to put frozen pa yung kalamunggay ko. So, ko muna siya sa hot water. Oh, anyway, yung sister-in-law ko, diba, tumawag siya, sabi pa niya, gusto daw niya akong magpunta sa, asan yung cellphone ko. Gusto daw niya akong magpunta sa doon sa bahay nila kung nag-worried ba daw ako kasi parang ang light ata, guys, mamamatay siya, yung light. Kailangan ko ito i-charge itong cellphone ko. So, kailangan, sabi pa niya, baka daw takot ako sa baka brand out daw dahil sobrang heavy yung mga kahoy ngayon. So, mabibigat siya. May tendency na siya mababagsak at saka maputol yung power line, mabagsakan. So, sabi pa niya, baka takot daw ako. Hindi naman ako takot. At saka, alam nyo, kahit gustuhin ko mang umalis, alam nyo, hindi na talaga ako makaalis kasi yung snow, sobrang, ganito na, guys, snow. At saka walang nagpa-plow sa daan. Yung daan, hindi mo na makita yung daan dahil puro snow na siya. And I just look at the window. I look at the window, wala talaga siya, guys. Puro, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano yung snow dyan, ka-heavy or kapal. So, yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, gustuhin ko man, hindi na ako makalabas dahil alam na yung snow, grabe. At saka ayaw ko itong maiwan-iwan. Walang light. Hindi ko sila mapuntahan anytime. Magutom sila. Wala talaga. Ano kayang isip ng kapatid ng asawa ko? Hindi ito basta-bastang maiwan tong mga anak ko. Kibalik, for example, kung alis ako dito, so, stuck ako dun sa kanila. Hindi ako makabalik dito kasi yung snow sobrang kapal. So, ilang araw ako dun? 2 araw, 1 araw. So, magugutom itong mga junakits ko na sobrang sad naman itong si Roxy. Tignan nyo. Nasasad yan. Nakikinig sa akin. Ganyan, please. Nakikinig yan talaga. You don't eat your dindin. You have to eat your dindin, oy. I'm not giving you nothing. Hindi talaga pwede maiwan, guys. At sanay naman. Ano yung sunog? Ba't parang may sunog? Anyway, sanay naman ako, guys, sa mga walang kuryente. Walang mga ganon-ganon, kuryente. At saka lang, lang, maginaw. Sabi ko, maraming dito. Maraming habol, blanket. So, sabi ko, wag na, kaya naman to. Sabi ko, salamat na lang. Stay na lang ako dito. At saka, yun. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit sa sad face ito, si ito. Why you're sad? You're wet. Oh, you're wet. You're so wet. Dream that I once knew. What? I never thought I'd be right for you. Wow. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. I want that forever. You're all I need to be with forever. Time and again, we're on the street, just the wicked night. As long as time keeps going, we don't know. My love for you will be forever. Roxy's face is like confused. You should know by now. Dun 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 dun. Lilala, ang ganda ng background ko guys sa labas. Oh, sobrang puti. Problema kung mag-brown out ito. Patay ako nito, patay. Patay si Mama Sang nito, patay. Patay na patay ako sa'yo. Patay na patay ako sa'yo. Nabuang nas mama. Sabi pa ni Roxy, nabuang nas mama. Mama, ano ba? Ano ba mama? Nabuang ka na. Nabuang ka na mama. Hubs. Don't worry, Hubs. I'm still okay. Don't worry, little man. You're not hungry, little man. You eat until 8 o'clock tonight, little bug, okay? Little bug. Birdie, 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 bug. Ang sarap higupin itong sabaw. Ang bango. Ang bango, ang bango. Birdie, 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 bug. Miti, miti, miti ko. Mama kisses. I love you. I love you. Hello guys, ano na guys, it's 6:06 na ng gabi. Pero kitang-kita pa sa labas dahil sa white snow. Tignan nyo. Grabe yung snow. Kapal. Ang ganda lang naman talaga sa ano labas dahil sa white. Pero grabe. Kumakain na itong si Roxy. Tapos ka na? Are you done? Oh my goodness! Misty hasn't ate yet. You don't want to eat meat? Look, there's a lot of food and turkey in here. Huh? You don't want to eat? Good girl, Rox. Good girl. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out now? We're gonna go out this way. Yeah, over there. She knows. We're gonna go out this way. Let's go. Let's go out this way. Look, they know. Okay. Where is the this way out? We're gonna go out this way. Look. Dito sila lalabas. Okay, you have to pee-pee. You have to pee-pee out here. Mag-pee-pee yan sila. Tignan nyo naman yung door, oh. Garbage yan, guys. You go pee-pee, Rox. Tignan nyo yung snow. You go pee-pee. You go pee-pee. Oh my God. Tignan nyo, ang ganda dun. Where's Misty? Did you pee over there? Let me see. Okay, mag-pee-pee yan si Roxy doon. Mag-ano muna ako ng thumbnails before baka mawala yung kurente. So, ay nako, pag mawala yung kurente, wala akong video bukas. So, anyway. Anyway guys, bye! See you in my next video. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to end this video now. And salamat guys sa panonood. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys! Thank you again guys for watching my channel, for watching my video. And thank you also for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please click nyo lang yung subscribe guys. Free naman siya. And yes, salamat sa inyo ulit ha. Malapit na tayong mag 8,000. At saka happy ako dahil yung views guys, 2,500,000 plus. Anyway, salamat sa inyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito. Walang nanonood sa akin. Thank you all guys so much for watching. Salamat talaga guys from the bottom of my freaking heart. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye! Good night!
Yeah, in the moonlight, like everything looks like, you know, we can see everything because of the snow. You can actually see them when they're in the yard. Those spotlights don't work shit otherwise.
Yeah, it's really nice.